Our recipe this month is called Creole green beans. And this will go home with you in your Michigan Harvest of the Month packets. So we'll go ahead and get started with this. I'm using an electric skillet. You can use your stove top. This is just so that you can see this better. We're going to start out with 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. My skillet is already warming up. And 2 small chopped cloves of garlic. This is going to cook for about 1 minute. And I think I'm going to turn that down just a little bit. We don't want our garlic to burn or it tastes a little bit bitter, so we're going to shut that down for a minute or 2. There are many different ways to eat your green beans, and this is just one of the recipes. I hope that you'll give it a try. You can toss raw green beans into a salad. You can sprinkle lemon juice on cooked green beans. You can saute fresh green beans with almonds for a great different taste. Okay, so that is cooking, and remember, we want to make sure that our hands are clean before we start preparing our food. So we need 16 ounces of frozen green beans. I have 2 packages here, which is going to give me almost 20 ounces of beans, but that's okay. It's not a huge difference. We're going to add our frozen green beans to this. These are whole green beans. You can get the cut green beans also. And I'll turn my heat back up again now that that's cooled down with these frozen green beans in here. And to that we are going to add 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper. So we're going to get some great color in with this recipe. This is going to be beautiful. Remember, we always want to get our different colors in because each color represents different nutrition. Then I have 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, and these are the little tiny grape tomatoes. You can use whatever you have. And a 1/2 cup of chopped celery. So we got a lot of flavors going on in this side dish. All right, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle that over. And this is where a little bit of the spiciness comes from. This is 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And you can adjust this to what you like. If you don't care for it spicy, you can put even less in there. Or if you like it spicy, add more. Just adjust it to the way that you like. So I'm just going to get this all mixed together in the skillet. And if you can see, we have a lot of beautiful colors in here with our different greens and our reds. So this is going to continue to cook between 5 and 7 minutes, and we will be back afterwards to show you what it looks like. Okay, so we're back, and I ended up cooking these with the lid on. And they probably cooked for a total of 15 minutes. Going to put this in our serving dish. And this makes a great side dish for whatever meat you are serving or other proteins. So I hope you'll give this recipe a try, everyone. Thank you.